Hello loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I am going to show you part 2 of my Temu haul of goodies. Most of it is Halloween, I believe. I think. But yeah, let's get into this so I can show you the rest of my haul. I will leave the link below to part 1 if you have not seen it, because there's a lot of goodies in there. And I will put links of stuff that's available. And everything that I ordered was shipped from Temu, so it was not local. I will have a coupon code, so if you reinstated your Temu app or are new Temu user, you could go ahead and use that and save some money and get a $100 bundle. So let's go ahead and get into this. So first thing I want to show you is I got some DTF stickers. And if you're not sure what that is, that's stickers that you could put on cups, pen wraps. You could use them as they're pin wrap. These are actually pin wraps, but I'm going to use them for other things. Let me put it here so you can see it. Look at that. They're all the same. So, but look how pretty that is. Like a Gothic one. Now I love the romantic Gothic, which this is. So I saw this, I went ahead and got it. And you do get 4 pieces, so you get 4. You get 4 of them. And all you do with these is you'll put them on. You could put them on cups or acrylics, or even on the pen. And it's a layer. It's like a sticker. It's like washi tape, like the pet tape, which is a clear washi. You take you unstick the back. Well, you use one because, like I said, this is made for pens, but I'm going ahead and use it for something else. But what you do is you'll cut it, and then you'll peel the back part, stick it onto your whatever you're going to put on, whether it's acrylics or a pen. I'm going to put on maybe on a bookmark. You stick it on there, and then you take and then you'll rub it down, and then stick the front. You'll peel the front because it's another sticker. Let me know in comments below if you want to see this, if you want me to make a tutorial for you, and I will be happy to make one. It's easier to see it than to describe it, but yeah, those are actually pretty nice. The next thing I hauled was this glitter mesh, and actually pretty big it's actually pretty big for what I thought. I thought it would be a small one. So I bought one just to see how much I get. Look at that. And this is a glitter. Look at that. The glitter mesh. So now that I know about this, and look at the size you get. So you get a lot. I wanted to order the other colors in my cart. And I want to say, I don't know if this one was a $6 one or if it was a $2 one. I'm not too sure. I'll have, if it's available, I'll have the links below, and I'll put the prices in the video if I have. The next thing I have is I bought some Ghostbusters focals. I think Slimer's pretty cute. To me it is. But you could use this on your pen, your beatable pens, even keychains. But yeah, he's a focal silicone. So look at that one. And you get 5 of these. Next thing I have here are some bat wings. This one, I think you get 20 different ones. 20. So you got the pink one. Look at that. They're like appliques. You got the bat wing, which is a pink. This one's a silver. This one comes with red. And this is just the half, so some of them have the whole thing. Black and then white. So you get only color, yeah, you get the 5 colors. So I was able to get that. And I think I might have gotten 2 packages. Let's see. Yeah, I got a second package of that. Because usually after Halloween, these get more expensive. The next thing I want to show is the stencil. And this is a 2 layers. And let me see, 2? Yeah. So with the stencil here, I want to say, which way would it go? Oh yeah. So the stencil here, you put your web first, you ink it, and then you do the spider next. So you get 2 of them. These are layering ones. So I got that one. I did haul some papers. And I did get some beads. They're like seed beads almost. They came in the little packages like that. They're black, white, and clear. And you get 4 little packages. So that one, I like that one. Oh, nice. Another thing here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, here's my little bats. Yeah, so these are just regular flat. So I got this to stick them on projects and stuff. Look at that. And these are made out of plastic. I got a bag full of those. Another thing I have here are some charms, some ghosties. These are all the same, except for the pumpkin. One's white and one's orange. Look at that. And these are actually really thick. Yeah. So I got those ones. And then I got some metal skeleton, well, some skull. And they have, so you could dangle something top and bottom. Look how nice those are. Got those ones. And then this one here, I got some Halloween Hello Kitty. And you get 6 to a package. And these are focal, so they are, you could do in your beautiful pen. Look at those. How cute is she? That is cute. Love, love, love. Now when I bought the orange roll, this was the other version that I could check out because they're pretty much similar. But this is this one. This one was $2 something, like $2. Look at that. It's actually real nice. I like that. Pretty. Pretty. Love it. Love, love, love. That's that one. I got me some beads, and these are some eyeball beads. Look at that. I got them because look at how the eyes look. And they do got the little red. And they're double-sided in the front and the back. And the whole goes top to bottom. Look at that one. We got a red, blue, the green, the purple. Love it. Love, love, love. I got some eyeballs. Next thing I have here, these are silicone, like pumpkin beads, but they're just a shape, not real actual pumpkins. So I snagged myself for those. And then I got Oogie Boogie flatbacks. I'll show you this one. Look at that. How cute is he? How cute would he be on a bow? So real nice. Love that. I got those. So this one's like a vintage. So I got this because I like vintage. So this one you get three, it looks like 3 papers of the same. So you get the orange with the diamond background. Then you get your black with polka dot. This actually will go real nice with the simple story one. You got the checkers. You got some more polka dot ones. Then you got some stripes. And then we got some distress on the outside. Orange polka dot. Oh, these are actually pretty nice. These are nice for fillers. And then some stripes. That one. Then you get black and orange stripes. Love it. And then you get black and cream. Oh, nice. Get some polka dots. Love, love, love. Then you get these two kinds. Wow, I really like these. They're nice papers. So I got that. And then these ones here, I thought these were pretty cool. I'm gonna open it. Now what these are, the bead goes in the middle. The bead goes in there. And this is like a little wrap for your bead. And this one's a rose. How pretty is that? That is pretty. Love it. So it's almost like a spacer. Love that. Next thing I have here are some little pumpkin fall colored beads. So I got those ones. Those look cute. And they do got like little gold on there. Got those ones. Okay, this is another one that like wraps. And this one's the bead goes in the bottom in the hole, right in there, right in between. It like holds it basically, and then this is the snake wrap. How nice is that? You get that much. So those were the new ones that I actually were able to snag up. Let's see what's wrapped in here. Oh. Now these are the Gundam bat. These are the keychain holders. I got those. So you open it down there. That's real nice. They do have them wrapped, probably so that they don't get scratched up. I love, 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 love those. Okay, these are actually metal charms. And I do like how it comes in its own little case. Look at that. So there's silver and black and then red. So you got like the crosses, the heart, the coffins. I love that. I got it because it goes almost with the wrap. So I got those ones. These are little spikes. So I got little spikes in there. Also, I got these because I do beadable pins and DIY beads and stuff, and I wanted something for a little bit more goth. I got those. So it comes in the black and the silver. And then here I got me some, oh, this one is a spider. Let me show you this one. Let me show you this. Look how pretty those are. They're tiny and you only get, I think, 10. But look at that. How pretty is that? I got those. Since I know how those look, they also have red and black, which now I will order. And then these here, oh, these are skulls. And these are nail art. Let me show you that one. I don't know if it does justice. Oh, look at that. These are skulls. And I got these to put on embellishments. Okay, the next thing I have, I got me some charms. These are all the same. Look at that. This is like the little sign with the skull. Look at those. How nice are those? We got those. And then the last thing I had, I don't know what's in here. This is actually in a cloth bag. Oh, these ones are stickers. Look at that. Oh, like the Day of Dead. I like using this for my ATC cards. Oh, look at that one. These are the couples. How pretty is that? And it does have a glossy finish. That one. That one. Oop, that one. Love it. Love the couple. That one. That's fun. Real nice. And then that one. Yeah, so that is it for my haul. It took two videos for it, because then this would have been way too long. But yeah, if it's available, I will put the links below in the description. Leave a comment below and let me know what's your favorite. Hit the like, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.